Good morning, little stars! Today we'll jump into a world of colors near and far! Red is the apple, juicy and sweet. It makes our color world so neat. Orange is the balloon in the sky, wiggling and twirling way up high. Yellow is sunshine, warm and bright. It makes our hearts feel pure delight. Green is grass where we leap and play. Frogs hop around, hip, hip, hooray! Purple is flowers, soft and grand, sprinkling magic across the land. Blue is river, flowing and wide. Fish splash along with a joyful glide. Subscribe to Kiddie Toon School for more colorful adventures.